This is the Terzo Millennio, you guys. This is what Lamborghini pictures their first electric car to look like. Take a look at this. These Y lines here at the front that the Sian now has. And this wheel here, it's a fully electric car, right? So this wheel symbolizes the electromagnetic coils. So this all lights up. Take a look at this. The idea of these is that they would actually move to help the car brake. They would turn in against the airflow. Take a look at this. It's open all the way through to the back. 63 to mark the year that Lamborghini was founded. This area here, this is where the supercapacitors would be, and that is what's going to provide energy to the car. This here in the back, come on, we've got to see this. See how it's all open? Now this is where it gets cool, you guys. They have partnered with MIT University to work on these amazing technologies. This car will have self-healing carbon fiber. And this project is already underway. They're working on this right now. The other thing is that through nanotechnology, the power of the car would be stored in the body of the car. Not just the batteries, but also the body, which is kind of cool. So if you come over here and take a look at these, I don't know what they're doing.
Should I stop filming?
No, no, keep on.
Excuse me, it's forbidden. Forbidden parking the park
Oh, I'm so sorry. No, it's forbidden to park in front of the church. I don't know what's happening. I think he's writing me a ticket. No, I'm serious. I don't know what I'm signing. You guys gonna pay for this?
How much is it?
I don't even know. Does it say something? No. There's no number plate on it. It just says Lamborghini.
Yes,
I
think it will be
They
charged.
got that right?
It will be charged to change the seal.
Oh, you're gonna get this bill. Great, you take that. All right, see you later.